Yeah. What's up, y'all? Hey, today I got a good video coming through. This one is gonna be for my Photoshop users, all right? I'm gonna show you guys how to use Photoshop and make your image punch, bring the color out of it. And this is especially good if you're into clothing. If you print for clothing, the prints you put on t-shirts, this is very important because sometimes after you press those images, they lose the color. Sometimes you'll see an image online and it looks really great, but then when you print it through, the colors don't pop as much as you want them to pop. So right now, I'm gonna show you guys how to do that and make it pop. All right, so this is for Photoshop. I'm gonna show you other programs that can do the same thing, but this is for my peoples that got Photoshop. Photoshop is free for a month, I believe. They have a free month trial, 30-day trial. You can get it, check it out. To me, it's really good. I use it for a lot of things: removing objects, smoothing out edges, removing white backgrounds. There's so much different things. You can even animate in Photoshop, but that's very, very technical, and I wouldn't get into all of that. But if you just want to do easy little things like make lettering, make a little logo, fix up a logo, Photoshop, to me at times is a go-to program. Now, we're gonna open your Photoshop. I'm gonna quickly open an image that I want to punch because that's how we do it. So I got this impossible thing for teaching beats. I'm gonna open this. All right, so as you can see, this looks pretty good. So what I would do quickly with the image selected, we're gonna double click it, unlock it. Now with the image selected on this layer, the right layer, there you go. Up here, you're gonna see curves, or it might be different on your layout of Photoshop, but you're gonna look for curves. Grab that, there you go. Now, at the bottom here are the blacks, at the top is the whites. In between, you can just put imagine. So if I was to raise the blacks up, it becomes lighter. Now if I put the blacks kind of down, as you can see, it becomes darker. Now you see that doesn't really punch, does it? So now let's just say I want to punch it. What I would do is I would bring this down, the blacks, then I would make this come up like this. And as you can see, automatically this image is starting to look punchy. Now I would leave that. There it is. Now let's go back so you guys can see. See, that's how it was, and that's how it looks after. Now, let's just say we want to smoothen this out. I'm also going to put this in this video because it's a really quick video. So I'd go to filter, I would go to noise, and I will go to reduce noise right here. So as you can see, it's showing you the strength. This strength is at 10. Put that down. Notice the noise comes back, noise is going away. And personally, I would leave it like that because a little bit of noise is good for realism. You don't want it to be too, clean, because then it starts looking smudgy and blurry. So you want to, me personally, I want a little bit of that to keep it, realistic and nice. So I go to OK, and that's it. It's smoothing it out for me. That is how you use curves, okay, to make your image punch. Now let's just play around with the curves a little bit more so you guys completely understand. See that? See that? It makes a big difference. See that? With your image. This almost looks like a completely different image. You get me? So that's how you do that, guys. Thank you for stopping by the Teaching Beats podcast. I hope you guys learned something. If you did, hit the like. If you want to learn more about Photoshop and other graphic design programs and animation programs and 3D programs, hit the subscribe, keep the notification bell. Until we meet again, keep learning and keep teaching. See ya.
Good night. High life. Toronto. Glow life. Ravers. For life.
Lightsabers.